What if I told you that you can clone the style of your favorite movies using nothing but AI? In this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can use AI tools to replicate film scenes, lighting, and camera styles all without needing a Hollywood studio. Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you love learning about AI, video editing, or filmmaking tools, you are in the right place. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell. I drop tutorials like this every day. Before we jump in, let's make something real. When we say cloning films, we don't mean copying copyrighted movies. Instead, we are recreating the style, like the camera angles, lighting, mood, and tone using AI. So think of it like using a reference to create your own versions of a film scene. So now let's choose our AI tools. In here, I'm using Veo in Google AI Studio, but you can always use other tools like Runway ML or maybe Pika Labs. So you can start by opening the Google AI Studio. So to make it even closer to your chosen film vibes, you can upload a reference image or a short clips. In here, I've already clicked on the video tab, and here I'm going to upload scenes from the movies. You can choose to upload file. So I'm going to use this movies, the Blade Runner movie, and here's the prompt that I use. A foggy city chase scene in the style of Blade Runner, ultra realistic lighting with cinematic tone. So you can just hit on run. Why you need to upload the reference image or short clip? So this will help the AI match the composition, color grading, and movement. You can also add a short soundtrack or ambient score to give it that cinematic punch. Okay, so in here I've already created the video. This is the model. So this is still an image. This is the reference, and here I recreate the video once again because previously it's not a video. So let's use the Veo 2 or 3. You need to make sure that you select the Veo 2 or 3 in the Google AI Studio. So you can just wait until the AI does its magic. It might take a minute, but the result will look like something straight out of a movie trailer. Just wait. Okay, so the video is done, and here is how it will look like. If you're not happy with the first version, you can tweak your prompt. For example, you can change the cinematic tone in here with soft lighting maybe, or maybe you can add a wide angle shot, or maybe other keywords, additional keywords to make your videos to your preference. So once you got your AI film cloned, you can just take it a step further. You can export it into CapCut, maybe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve for color correction, sound design, or cinematic text overlays. So that's how you can clone film styles using AI. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all in the next tutorials. Bye!